Good morning and welcome to Boatshed Norfolk. Today's new listing is this rather special 1965 Dutch built barge that has been completely refurbished over the last 3 years. There are lots of photos on our website at boatshednorfolk.com along with videos and 360-degree images for you to look at, and I've also done a video walkthrough of the interior for you. So this is just a quick walk down the side on the starboard side. She's 17 meters long. As I say, she's been very tastefully refitted completely from a shell into what you see now. Certainly worth having a look at as a liverboard or long-term cruising on the French canals. This boat is absolutely ideally suited. So I'll just do a quick walk up to the bow for you. The manual windlass there. One advantage with this boat is she has had several surveys over the years whilst the owner has been refurbishing her. He's had the ultrasound test done on the hull. The surveyor's been down to constantly check out the fitting throughout the refurb, so that's a huge help obviously to get a really good understanding of the boat's integrity. And there she is. As I say, just a brief video of the external of this boat. There are the other video on our website is of the interior, as I say, along with lots of photographs and information. So please take a look at her at boatshednorfolk.com, and thank you very much for watching.